It's a bad man thing.
Hey guys, so if you are interested in learning how to go from this to this, then go ahead and keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys have asked for it. Guess what? You shall receive. This is going to be a detailed video on how to customize your unit to make it look as natural as possible. So let's get right into this review. We are going to start with cutting the hairline on your unit. I like to use the foam or tissue paper that the wig comes with. This gives me a good guideline as to where I need to cut my lace. So I'm going to take this unit and I'm going to first comb down all of the hairs. So now that I have all of the hairs combed down, I'm going to take my foam, I'm going to place it under the wig, and this is going to be my guideline for where I need to cut my lace. The smaller your scissors, the better. So I'm going to use these busted old scissors that I've had for quite a while. And I'm going to start by cutting right where the ear tab is. And now I'm going to cut as close to this hairline as possible without actually cutting the hairs. I go give you all of me, all of me. Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl. So when we are done, we have something that looks like this. So now that we have our lace cut, for the sake of this unit, I'm going to play around with it until I find a style that I like. Wine and flow, this one will be private show. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow, this one will be private show. You don't know. Bad man, point instrumental, giving you one time. So now that I have my part where I want it, I'm going to go in and start tweezing the part and straightening it up. And as you can see, the part is actually really, really good. It's actually damn near perfect. And all I'm going to do is go in the middle of this part to clean it up. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm just going to go right down the middle. Whatever hairs I pick up, those are the hairs that I'm gonna pluck. Here's my part for the wig, and of course we are not gonna leave it like this. So this is where we go in and customize our unit. What I'm gonna be using is my Fit Me powder. And this is in the color 40 or dark. I'm also going to be using just a simple little cheapy brush that I got from Walmart by Wet n Wild. And then I'm also going to be using some Got to Be Glued and my rat tail comb. So let's begin. Badman! Yeah. He's body baby, oh. Ah, he's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the base, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow, this one will be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow, this one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, follow me. I go give you all of me, all of me. On moto, Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me blow. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah.
And there you have it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick how-to. I hope it's easy for you. And as always, make sure you wear it with confidence, ladies. This is Wigs to Wasteland. Don't forget to like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel. And follow your girl on Snapchat where you get sneak peeks of any wig review I do. Other than that, drop it down below. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.
Said I'm in love